Emergency Hardship Lines of Credit, a comparative legal financial guide. This lecture analyzes accessible hardship lines of credit for individuals facing financial emergencies, comparing lenders' terms, processes, and limitations within the broader legal and economic context. 1. FirstTech Federal Credit Union. FirstTech Federal Credit Union offers hardship lines of credit of up to $10,000, available to new members without geographic or employer restrictions. Approval may be granted within 1 month of membership, and funds are typically disbursed within 24 hours. Interest rates range between 13% and 18% APR, with flexible repayment structures, including pay-as-you-go or deferred installments. A soft credit inquiry is available prior to formal application. Footnote: FirstTech provides accessible credit to members with moderate APRs and rapid funding, emphasizing flexibility and accessibility. 2. OneMain Financial. OneMain Financial provides personal loans that may be structured as lines of credit for amounts ranging from $2,000 to $20,000. As an online lender, OneMain allows streamlined applications with same-day decisions and disbursements within 24 hours. Borrowers may defer payments until the designated repayment period. However, APRs are notably high, which should be carefully evaluated by borrowers. Footnote: OneMain Financial provides high-limit online hardship credit, albeit with elevated interest rates. 3. U.S. Bank. U.S. Bank offers hardship lines of credit ranging from $1,000 to $25,000 to existing account holders, with funds typically available within 24 to 48 hours. Eligibility is restricted to residents of approximately 20 participating states. Applicants may conduct a soft pull inquiry before proceeding with a full application, and funds can be used for any approved emergency. Footnote: U.S. Bank's geographic limits are offset by large borrowing limits and fast processing for existing customers. 4. CreditFresh. CreditFresh, an online-only lender, provides hardship credit from $500 to $5,000. Though smaller in amount, their funding process is fast, often delivering funds within 24 hours. The service allows for potential credit line increases with responsible use, and funds may either be held in an account or sent to the borrower's bank. Footnote: CreditFresh is suitable for smaller, fast-access hardship funding with potential for gradual limit increases. 5. Rise Credit. Rise offers emergency and hardship credit lines between $500 and $5,000, typically approved within 24 to 48 hours. The platform requires thorough documentation to complete the underwriting process. Applications approved before 6 p.m. may result in next-day disbursement. Automated repayment options are available to avoid late fees or default. Footnote: Rise offers mid-range online hardship loans with emphasis on documentation and next-day funding. 6. Earnest. Earnest, a recent entrant into the hardship credit market, provides lines of credit from $1,000 to $100,000. Applicants may submit online or by phone, with soft pull pre-approval decisions available in under 3 minutes. Repayment terms range from 6 months to 12 years, with flexible pay-as-you-go options depending on account standing. Footnote: Earnest offers substantial credit lines with flexible terms, rapid pre-approval, and long repayment horizons. 7. Max Cash. Max Cash is an online-only provider offering hardship lines of credit from $100 to $1,000. Though the amounts are limited, approvals are typically swift, often within 12 to 24 hours. The lower loan amounts result in higher approval odds and less stringent credit requirements. However, APRs and repayment structures should be carefully reviewed. Footnote: Max Cash offers rapid, small-scale hardship lines of credit suited for borrowers with limited access or urgent need. Conclusion: This analysis outlines 7 key providers offering hardship lines of credit in 2025, including FirstTech, OneMain Financial, U.S. Bank, CreditFresh, Rise, Earnest, and Max Cash. Each provider varies in approval time, credit limits, borrower eligibility, and APR terms. Applicants are advised to assess their credit profiles, financial needs, and repayment capacities before selecting a lender. Footnote: selecting an appropriate hardship credit line requires aligning institutional terms with borrower needs and legal considerations.